Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the mat, head to the knees. Inhale, look forward as you reach to the earth. Jump or step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold your downward facing dog for 5 breaths. Spread your fingers, ground your heels, look towards your navel, work your armpits towards your feet, and make sure you're deep breathing with sound in and out through the nose. After your 5th breath, jump or step to the top of your mat, feet together. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bow your head to your knees. Inhale, reach up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, arms down, samastitihi. Do that 5 times. Surya Namaskara B. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look forward. Jump or step back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Step your right foot between your hands, pivot your left. Inhale, Virabhadrasana, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Step your left foot between your hands, pivot your right. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold, leg back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold this downward facing dog for 5 slow, deep breaths. Spread the fingers, ground the heels, draw the navel in towards the spine. After your 5th breath, look forward, jump or step to the top of your mat, feet together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, samastitihi. Let's do that again. Bend the knees. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Jump or step back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Step your right foot forward, pivot your left. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, step back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left foot forward, pivot your right. Inhale, Virabhadrasana, warrior 1. Exhale, chaturanga, dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Chaturanga means 4-stick or 4-limb pose. Chatur means 4, anga means limbs, and dandasana means stick pose. After 5 breaths in downward facing dog, you are going to look forward, jump or step to the top of your mat, feet together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, head to knees. Bend your knees. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, arms down, straight legs, samastitihi. Jump or step your feet hip width apart, hands to the waist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Grab your big toes with your peace fingers. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold, belly to the thighs, bend the elbows. This is Padangustasana, thumb to foot posture or big toe posture. Relax your neck, look at your nose, squeeze your kneecaps, draw your navel in towards your spine. Hold for 5 slow, deep breaths. After your 5th breath, inhale, look forward. Exhale, Parahastasana, hand to foot posture, touch your toes to your wrists. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold. Bend your elbows if you can. Work your belly to your thighs. Tilt your tailbone up to the sky. Squeeze your kneecaps. This can be a very intense pose, especially on the hamstrings and lower back. You're going to hold here for another 5 deep, slow breaths through the nose. After your 5th breath, inhale, look forward. Exhale, release. Hands to the waist. Inhale, flat back, stand up. Exhale, samastitihi. Uttita Trikonasana. Step out to the right, pivot your feet to the back of your mat, and exhale, reach over your right leg. Grab your big toe with your peace fingers and reach your left hand to the sky. Hold for 5 breaths, and after your 5th breath, you're going to inhale, come up to a standing position. Pivot your feet to the front of your mat, and exhale, reach over your left leg. Grab your big toe with your peace fingers. Right hand reaches up, look up, and hold for 5 slow, deep breaths. Legs are straight, kneecaps are lifted, belly is pulling in. After 5 breaths, inhale, stand up, Pavrita Trikonasana, revolved triangle. You're going to turn to the back of your mat and twist. Left hand down next to the right foot. Right hand reaches to the sky. You are working your left rib cage across your left thigh. Legs are straight, kneecaps lifted. Hold for 5 breaths. After 5 breaths, inhale, come on up, pivot, turn to the front of your mat, and exhale, twist and fold, bringing the right hand to the opposite side of the left foot. Look up and reach up with that left hand. Again, legs are straight, right rib cage coming across the left thigh, and hold for 5 slow, deep breaths. In and out through the nose, always. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, top of your mat, back to Samastitihi. Utthita Parsva Konasana. Inhale, wide step out to the right. Pivot your feet to the back of your mat. Bend your right knee. Place your right hand outside of your foot and your left arm over your head, creating a straight line up the left side of your body as you gaze up towards the arm. Fingers are together with the arm overhead. Inhale, stand up. Pivot your feet to the front of your mat. Bend your left knee. Place your left hand outside of your foot, right arm over the head. Gaze is up, again creating a straight line up the right side of your body. Fingers together. Hold for 5 breaths. After your 5th breath, Pavrita Parsva Konasana, switch your feet, bend your right knee and twist. Take your left elbow or armpit to the outside of your right thigh and reach your right arm up and over your head. You can also do this in prayer position. Squeeze your left kneecap, hold for 5 breaths. This is a deep twisting posture. After your 5th breath, inhale, come on up, arms and legs extend. Pivot your feet to the front, bend your left knee and twist. Take your right elbow across the thigh. Take your right hand to the floor. Take your left arm over your head, gaze is up. Hold for 5 more slow, deep breaths, grounding that back foot. After your 5th breath, you are going to inhale, come on up, arms and legs extend. Exhale, back to Samastitihi, feet together at the top of your mat. Prasarita Parattanasana, hands to the waist, wide step out to the right. Inhale. Exhale, fold, hands to the mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring your hands in line with your feet. Bend your elbows to a 90-degree angle and work your head towards the floor. Lift your tailbone, squeeze your kneecaps. Breathe for 5 slow, deep breaths. Bring your navel in towards your spine. After your 5th breath, you are going to inhale, look forward. Exhale, hands to the waist. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale. Number 2, inhale, arms out. Exhale, hands to the waist. Inhale, shoulders back, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Now this time your hands stay on your waist. You're squeezing your elbows back towards each other. Head is relaxed. And you're gazing to your nose. Again, holding for 5 breaths, lifting the tailbone, squeezing the kneecaps. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, back to center. Number 3, inhale, arms out. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, squeeze your palms, look up. Exhale, fold. And as you fold, you're going to bring those hands up over your head, working those hands to the floor, opening the chest, stretching through the shoulders, and breathing deeply. Holding here again. After your 5th breath, you are slowly going to come all the way back up. And then exhale, bring the hands to the waist. Last one here. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, flat back, fold forward. Grab your big toes with your peace fingers. That's your index and middle finger. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, fold. Notice how the elbows bend to a 90-degree angle and the head is working to the floor in line with the feet. Squeeze the kneecaps, lift the tailbone. Hold for 5 breaths. Every pose is held for 5 breaths in the standing sequence. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, hands to the waist. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, back to the top of your mat in Samastitihi. Parsvatonasana, side stretch pose. Reach behind your back and bring your hands in a reverse prayer position. Trying to get the palms together. Inhale, step back with the right foot, pivot, turn. Exhale, fold over the right leg. Work your navel towards your right thigh. Chin to your right shin. Holding here for 5 slow, deep breaths. This is not a wide stance. Inhaling, come on up. Keep the palms together. Exhale, twist and fold over the left leg, belly to thigh, chin to shin. Your drishti, which is your gaze, is to your nose. It's your looking point. Hold for 5 more deep breaths. See if you can squeeze up the kneecaps. Keep those legs straight. Inhale, come on up. Turn to the side. Exhale, samastitihi. The next pose, Uttita Hasta Parangustasana, extended hand to foot posture. Inhale, grab your right big toe with the peace fingers of your right hand, balancing on your left foot. Exhale, bring your chin to meet your shin and hold here for 5 slow, deep breaths. Inhale, head up. Exhale, open the leg to the right. Look to your left. Holding here for 5 more breaths, keeping that left leg straight. After 5 breaths, inhale, leg back. Exhale, chin to shin. Inhale, head up. Exhale, hands to the waist. Point the toe and try to keep that leg parallel with the floor. Use your abs. After 5 more breaths, bring the foot down. Let's do the other side. Go ahead and shift your weight into your right leg. Inhale, grab your left big toe with the peace fingers of the left hand. And exhale, bow your chin to your shin, holding here for 5 slow, deep breaths. After 5 breaths, inhale, head up. Exhale, bring the leg to the left side. Turn your gaze to your right side. Breathe slowly and deeply, straightening the right leg. Then, inhale, bring the leg back to center. Exhale, bring the chin to the shin. Inhale, head up. Exhale, hands to the waist. Point the toe. Keep the leg parallel with the floor. Hold for 5 more breaths. And then exhale, release. Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana, half-bound lotus. Bring your right foot up into your hip as high as you can. Take your right arm around your back. Catch your right foot and exhale, fold, bringing your left hand next to your left foot, working your chin to your shin. Holding here. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, soften the knee. And then inhale, slowly come on up. Keep your balance, samastitihi. Shift the weight to your right leg. Inhale, take the left foot up into a half lotus. Take the left arm around your back and catch your foot. Exhale, fold forward. Bringing that right hand to the floor next to the foot. Working the chin to meet the shin. Holding here for 5 more breaths. After 5 breaths, inhale, look forward. Exhale, soften the knee. Inhaling, come all the way up. Exhale, feet together, back to samastitihi at the top of your mat. Let's take a vinyasa. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the mat, head to the knees. Inhale, look forward, jump or step back. Exhale, lower, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Look forward, jump or step your feet between your hands. Feet together, knees together, bend your knees. Inhale, arms up, palms pressed, look at your thumbs. Utkatasana, uneven pose or fierce pose. Hold for 5 breaths and then exhale, fold straight legs. Inhale, look forward, jump or step back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot forward, pivot the left. Inhale, arms up, palms together, look at your thumbs. And hold Virabhadrasana, Warrior 1 for 5 more breaths. Inhale, straighten the right leg, pivot, turn. Exhale, bend the left knee. Now we are in the same pose on the left side. Hold here. And then after 5 breaths, open the arms to Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana B, looking at your left hand. After 5 breaths, straighten the left leg, pivot your feet to the front. Exhale, bend your right knee, gaze towards your right hand. 5 more breaths here. And then exhale, plant your hands, step or jump back to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. After this down dog, you're going to come through to a seated position, and then we're going to close it out with some back bends or bridges. From that seated position, you're going to roll on down to your back. Then we're going to fold the legs, bringing the heels next to the hips, wide stance in the feet, grab your ankles. Tuck your shoulder blades up underneath your body. Ready? Inhale, lift those hips up, lift the chin away from the chest, and breathe for 5 slow, deep breaths. After your 5th breath, come on down. You can do this 2 more times or work towards back bends. Place your hands by your shoulders. Inhale, press down, and lift up. Straighten the arms, straighten the legs, keep the heels grounded. Look at your mat, breathe deeply. After 5 breaths, you can drop the head, walk the hands a little closer to the feet, and lift back up again, grounding those heels to deepen the back bend. Hold for 5 slow, deep breaths, then exhale, lower down. Hug your knees into your chest and relax.